I think we got something, but I'm not sure. Let's see. Any lights? Oh, any lights? Lights and. As you guys can see, it's a pretty dangerous. I have to laugh on it because, dude, this sucks. But look at what we got! Look at what we got! Look at what we got! My lift kit just came in. What's up, guys? Matt here as always. So today's gonna be a really short video, but I just wanna do like an open box. I got a lot of questions about the lift kit, and the lift kit's right here. As you guys can see, on the middle of snow. Today is gonna be, I'm just gonna put everything in the garage because as you guys can see, it's super cold. I just got home from work and we got the lift kit, dude. I'm super excited. We're gonna open the box, make sure everything is good. And next video, I will explain you guys why I chose rough country, all right? So without further ado, let's do it. The guy from UPS, my dog's here with me. The guy from UPS just delivered things here and sorry, dude. You have to work on this kind of weather. This sucks. Later on, I will shovel. The truck's here. I just got home from work. It's super... By the way, I got car wash on Saturday and it's still super dirty because all this salt and the snow today. But anyway, I'm home. That's what matters. And let's put all the boxes inside and we go from there. 7 boxes, and that should be the entire lift kit. I don't want to have any surprise. This next step is, so don't worry about my dog there. She's all day by herself, so she's here with me. She's making sure that everything is right. See, I will check because some of the boxes are really beat up, and I hope they don't screw up because the weather is really bad. I don't know if this thing was outside for a long time in any one of the place, but I also need pictures from some parts to send to somebody else because that's the next step for the lift kit. I'm super excited. I'm really excited. So I will open the box, just make sure everything is fine and right, and then we go from there. All right?
One eternity later.
Okay, boys, we are in here's kind of my workstation kind of on my basement. So I normally don't show this in my vlogs because it's so cold outside. I decide to open everything here. And the thing is, why I did that is because I want to make sure everything it's right and nothing is broke, because I think it's gonna be another 3 or 4 weeks until we install the kit, and I just want to make sure that you know, everything is right. And I also need pictures from like this part, that part, that part, that part, this part, and this part. So that's the reason why. And so far, even the box was a little bit beat up, as you guys can tell, right? All the parts came in a good shape, I would say. Here's the rough country, I'd say front plate. So we have more parts here. I'm not gonna go through exactly which parts, what they are, and anything else. Just want to show you guys that everything came out great. That this video actually can help me with rough country. If something you know, it's broke or whatever, I can show them. Here's my the upgrade shocks. As you guys saw in my last video, I got the NE3. They look great, in good shape, and that's what I want to make sure. I hope they remain like this until we install it. Here are some bars as well, a lot of boxes. Here are the rear shocks and the rear spaces. Those I would need pictures as well. As you guys can see, it's in good shape. And well, I don't want to address too much in this video because, as I said, it's gonna be a really short one. But so far, guys, it's a really, I mean, everything is in, the quality is good. That's what I want to say. And I'm saying the quality is really good. I'll save the details of it for the other video, but I just want to show you guys how many boxes I got. Like 7 boxes, as you guys saw before. And because again, I don't know, maybe my wheel's gonna get here in 4 or 5 weeks, I don't know. By now I just don't know, I don't have any update, so I have to wait for the wheels so we can install the lift. But so far seems to be a good quality kit. I don't know, it's hard to tell now. Yeah, that's it for today. What do you guys think? I'm so sorry for this mess here, but that's my basement. That's my kind of workstation where I save my tools right here. I will upgrade all this part, and let me know if you guys want to see more of this. It's dark here, but still you guys can see a little bit. So I have like Christmas trees right there, all backyard stuff, because now you guys saw how cold it is. But anyway, what do you think? I'm thinking I should try to install it by myself. That would be a good learning curve, of course, and also would be a great way to learn about lift kits in general and how my truck is assembled and everything else. But I don't know yet. I will go to the instructions and see how that goes. But let me know in the comment below. Let me know what you guys think, what I should do or I should not do it. If you guys are interested to see the installation kind of video, I don't know how long it would be, if we can break up in 3 or 2 parts the entire video. But definitely something I'm considering. I'm thinking about it, I'm reading a lot, and I kind of have time, because some of those parts, take those parts to somewhere that I'll take you guys with me for sure, but I just don't want to say where. So we have time, I have time to think about it. So if you guys can leave me a comment below and we go from there, alright? I want to give you guys an update on this. And if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Post a lot of stuff there and you don't want to miss it, right? So if you're here for the first time, subscribe. This is just one of the steps for my Chevy Colorado building, and it's gonna be awesome. I'm so glad to take you guys with me, and we are going to do this together, alright? As always, thank you so much, and don't forget, enjoy life.